What does your inner voice sound like? Is it kind, sweet, welcoming, or is it cold and critical and damning? Do you know? Because if you don't know, here's how you can find out. When you're by yourself, how do you feel? Do you feel warm and cozy inside? Or do you feel cold, lonely, and sad? If you feel sad by yourself, that's all it is. It's the tone of your inner voice, and that's changeable. So, how do you warm up a voice? You just warm up the voice. Be kind when you notice that you're being critical. Be understanding. Notice when you think you made a mistake and give yourself grace. Pay attention to how you feel. And if you don't like it, just change your inner voice.